Welcome to your Iridium Extreme PTT, a ruggedized dual-mode push-to-talk handset leveraging the power of Iridium's global network. Your Iridium PTT handset provides fast, secure, and reliable group communications to and from anywhere in the world. Before using your Iridium Extreme PTT, please make sure you or your service provider have activated your handsets and talk groups. Iridium PTT devices work in coverage areas that you define in Iridium's PTT Command Center. If your device is unable to register to the network or is not displaying a talk group name, please confirm your location is within a defined talk group area. Iridium is an open skies network. This means to have a clear signal, you must be able to see the sky all around you. Because Iridium satellites are constantly moving to provide global coverage, the signal strength can fluctuate and is sensitive to blockage. Before beginning a transmission, check your signal strength. It's best to have at least 3 bars. Trees, buildings, and mountains can block the satellite's line of sight to your device. Check your talk site by extending your arm and sticking your thumb up. Slowly turn 360 degrees. Anything between your thumb and the sky could temporarily affect your signal. Try and find an area with as much open sky as possible for your PTT communications. Now, let's start using your Iridium Extreme PTT handset. Press and hold the power button on top of the handset to turn it on. Once it is registered to the network, you will see the talk group name listed on the screen. Make sure you are on the same talk group as your teammates. When you are ready to speak, hold the handset 6 inches away from your mouth, with the antenna pointed towards the sky. If the antenna is sideways or downwards, service quality will degrade. Press and hold the push-to-talk button. When you hear this sound, you can begin talking for up to 40 seconds. While you talk, other members of your talk group will be able to see your device name and relative location. When you are finished talking, release the PTT button so others can speak. If you get a request denied message, it could be because someone else is currently speaking, the signal has temporarily faded, or momentary blockage has interrupted your signal. In order to reduce these types of interruptions, make sure your channel is open or idle. To change talk groups, select Menu and choose the desired talk group. You can also scan between all active talk groups and listen for transmissions by selecting Scan. The Iridium Extreme PTT is designed to operate as a handheld device on the go. For optimal performance, the handset should always be used with a carrying accessory to keep the antenna facing upwards and above your shoulder. If you are interested in solutions to extend Iridium PTT services inside vehicles or buildings, please contact your service provider. Now you're ready to start using your Iridium Extreme PTT device. For more information, please consult your user manual.